Hello everybody, you are welcome to Dot TV, your number one entertainment and educational channel on this YouTube platform. Here is one of the best occasion so far this week by Otumfour Osei Tutu Opensuo at the Berekum Manhene's Ejisu funeral. We have our women of warrior here, Yaa Asantewaa from Ejisu. You can see her firing gun in the air, showing that she is a warrior from Ejisu Kumasi. She is leading her troop in the Jama song. When we say Jama, it means a warrior song, a war song. So keep enjoying this video from Dot TV. Don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe for others to join us. We are keeping on giving you the best. You can see we have our women supporting the music here with our queen mother from Ejisu, Yaa Asantewaa. She's the only female who uses gun in Ashanti's culture. So we have other kings coming in before Otumfour will arrive, and we have several things to perform. This is the Suaba king, chief of the Suaba, sub-chief under Otumfour. If we say that Suaba, it means he is the king of Amori. So the Suaba king here with the gun. Anything display at the funeral has a symbolic meaning. So there is a huge crowd. Some people have climbed story buildings to see Otumfour. So you can see the occasion is not easy at all. So this is the arrival of Otumfour dancing in the palanquin with his gun. So he is dancing with a gun. That is Otumfour Osei TutuAbabio. Opensuo. The culture is very, very, very beautiful. Have several other things that makes this festival, that's the funeral occasion, very, very, very serious and important to him. So here in Berekum, keep enjoying the video. Here everything is on point. The crowd is too much. We have heavy crowd here with him because Otumfour doesn't move alone, move with his whole team. So whenever Otumfour is moving outside, he is with his country and Agyeman, that is the warriors division in his kingdom. Country and Agyeman, the Gumenifa, Chidom, that is the supportive team or the supportive division in his kingdom. So that is the division. So that is Otumfour in the palanquin, dancing, displaying very powerful and cultural display to his people and to the people of Berekum. So you can see here he's leading the Jama. That is the song, Jama song. So that is the beauty of the Ashanti's kingdom. Otumfour in the palanquin, dancing and singing, displaying different forms and all sorts of traditional display. So keep enjoying Dot TV. Don't forget to like the videos, share, subscribe for others to join us, because there is a whole lot of festival, funerals, parties, wedding, engagement, and a whole lot of videos that you can enjoy from Dot TV. So keep enjoying. Don't forget to like the video, share for others to join us. So let's keep enjoying the video. So that is the Ashanti's flag. Black, yellow, and green symbolize whenever you see this on a car, house, wherever you see this on a flag, it means we having the Ashanti's people or the Asantehene there. That is why his flag is being displayed. So that is the colors in the Ashanti's flag: black, yellow, and green. So here there is a huge multitude. The crowd is very, very, very huge. So the reason why we have this crowd here is because ever since Otumfour became Otumfour, in Ashanti region or among the Ashantis. This is his first time of stepping his foot on the land of Berekum or Brown Ahafo region. So it is not easy seeing him outside or at funeral grounds. So for the first time seeing him, everybody wished to see him. So there is a whole lot of cultural display, drumming, dancing, and a display of fans and others. So it is amazing and very powerful, interesting, educative to see this type of display. You can see the waving of the fans. So that is telling you something that His Royal Majesty Otumfuor Osei Tutu is on the way coming. So this is the display that must be led him. So that's how the Ashanti's culture is. So keep enjoying the video. There are more and more to come from Lord TV. So don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe to the channel so that you will never miss any upload from Lord TV. So that is it. Otumfuor. This shows how powerful he is. So that is the incense burning before his arrival. That is the spiritual purification. That is the spiritual purification before. So in Ashanti's kingdom, gun firing is one of the morals or the cultural way you will never miss whenever there is a king or any prominent king coming to a group or a deva. That is our natural way, or you see, or one of the regalias that will help you know that the chief is coming. So gun firing is one of our attitude in Ashanti region. So here you see several gun, you hear several gun firing from women and men, depending on their post in the kingdom of Ashanti. So here you see the crowd, multitudes surrounding the king, telling you how powerful or prominent the king is. So that's our king, King Solomon in Africa, in Ghana, Ashantis, Otumfour Osei TutuAbabio, Opensuo. So he has a multitude. That is one of his attributes. Ukum apema apembeba, Asante kotoko. Ukum apema apembeba. If you kill 1,000 will come back. So that is the traditional display from His Royal Majesty Otumfour Osei TutuAbabio with his king. To the arrival of some of his kings. So he is the king of the kings. In terms of the chieftency affairs, you see he has a fans crowd, everybody is waving. And some people even climb story buildings to get view or eye contact with him. So you see he is in a palanquin on the top of people. Yes, tradition goes on. Ashanti tradition, Ashanti's culture is very, very beautiful. African traditions, you have to raise the banner very high because tradition is very powerful. As I say, please don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe to Lord TV, your #1 entertainment and educative channel across YouTube. Yes, Otumfuor is dancing with his gun. Yes, Pia Otumfuor. Pia. Yes, this is telling you how powerful he is. Yes. He's greeting his people. Otumfuor is greeting his people. Yes, he's been guided with soldiers, the army, police, and he has his own army called Abrafo. The army in the Ashantis called Abrafo. But because of the modern way of governance, he must be protected with army and police as well. So keep enjoying this video from Lord TV. That is Otumfuor Osei Tutu at the land of Berekum. And this is the first time. So we call him Otikrare and Ebrare Mumasu. Krare and Brare is the lion and tiger. Lion and tigers. That is their skin. So that is his people giving him strong backing, very, very strong backing, and supportive they are to their king, submissive to their king, king of kings. Otumfour Osei Tutu Ababio, Opensuo Asantehene, Otumfour sitting on a gold, sitting on golden stool. Otumfour, Koko means gold, so that is his title. Very, 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 very strong backing from his people around him, all over the place. At Berekum, that is Nana Diewu Amankona. Nana Diewu Amankona, his funeral. Berekum Manhene, his funeral. Otumfour is displaying very powerful cultural display. Very powerful cultural. Yes, he's dancing in palanquin. Yaa Asantewaa. That's our king. Otumfour Osei Tutu Ababio. Ababio means coming back again. That is the second. How we get that title. The second in English refers to Ashantis as Ababio. That is the second. So you see, keep enjoying videos from Lord TV, your number one channel here, giving you nothing but the best. So here, these are some of the display. You see his warriors. That is the division of his warriors. Just everywhere is filled. Everywhere in the streets of Berekum is filled. Everybody want to see Opensuo Otumfuor Osei Tutu Ababio Asantehene. Otekokoso, Otekrare and Brare Mumasu. Every street is filled. Drumming, dancing, very powerful and beautiful cultural display. You can never underestimate this kingdom. Yes. Yes. That is his spiritual port. Yes. In front of his warriors. Signifying that there is a defense. If you kill 1,000 will rise and come again. Ukum apima apimeba. Asante kotoko. Yes, that is the image I was talking about. A lion killed a live lion and remove his skin and stepping on the skin wherever he sits. That's Otekrare and Ebrare Mumasu. Krare and Brare is the lion and tigers. He killed them live. So that is one of his attributes. Otekrare and Ebrare Mumasu. Otumfour Osei Tutu Ababio Asantehene. So keep enjoying. Don't forget to like the video, share for others to join us. You're watching us live on Lord TV. That is the flag, Ashanti's flag, green, yellow and black. Yes, displaying here. And the drumming and cultural display. There is a song that these people are singing, showing that they are with him. They are giving him strong backing, strong support, no matter what comes. So that is the Ashanti culture. Yes. I have a lot to tell Ashantis, Ghana, and Africa as a whole. I have a lot to tell. History. Very beautiful and great culture. So keep enjoying this video on Lord TV. Don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe for others to join us. Yes, we have queen mothers sitting patiently waiting for their king. So the leaves of their neck is one of the leaves that is said to wave off evil spirits. So that is the sitting of some queen mothers and their kings and their elders. So that is how it is. Everything you see the Ashanti culture has a particular name. There is nothing being like that. Everything has a symbolic meaning or spiritual meaning attaching to it. So this is Lord TV, the #1 entertainment channel. Thanks for joining us in this video. Don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe for more so that you never lose any upload. Bye bye.